Hi everyone, this is Mr. American Rebel. Welcome back, Joyce. How are you doing? How you doing? I'm Joyce. Joyce, the media person. Yeah, I'm Austin. Yeah, Joyce. Hong Kong Fooey. Oh, I love that. The cartoon. That was a good one. Yes, it was a good one. Hey, I got I got a quick question for you. Oh, okay. Well, what's the question? What's the question? Or what's the thing? Um, it's actually a joke. Oh, you got okay. Yeah, how you get? Okay, no. Well, it's a question. Okay, well, he goes, "Can I join?" Yeah. Okay. Hey, Joe's like, "How you doing? How you doing, Trump? Yeah, you ultra mega bastard." Oh, thank you very much. Well, anyway, what's the question? Well, the View. These View women, these View hens, including lined up with Joy Big Mouth Behar and Whoopi Whoop Whoop Goldberg, go over and are saying everything and trying to protect Democrats and trying to say everything that the Democrats are trying to say and relate everything they're saying. Yeah, well, what do you expect? Well, what? I got a joke for you. I got a joke for this time. Oh, you got a joke. She's got a joke. Yeah, you go. She's got a joke for us. Yeah, I got a joke. Okay, what's the joke? Okay, how was a parrot of a pilot like the woman in the View? Oh, I can hear about this one. How are they like? Well, you tell us. Well, just like the parrot repeats everything that the pilot says when he feeds him a cracker. Yeah. The women in the View repeat everything the Democrats say and what Joe Biden says because they're crackers. What kind of crackers they get? Oh, you don't want to know. That's a good one.
Let's go, Brandon. Hey. Let's go, Brandon. Hey.